That is 1.136 million gallons of water that they used when, by all accounts, it seems excessive that they needed to water that heavily for the 7 days after a 3-inch rain event. We are able to track that weather data. We're able to notify users of the system that they have had rain in an area by looking at the app and seeing what's going on. We also track high and low temperature you see down here. This is the kind of waste, 1 million gallons in 8 days, the kind of waste that would put this client over budget at the end of the year. For reference, 1 million gallons of water is enough to carry a home of 4 people for about 100 months. So somewhere in the neighborhood of 7 years, a home of 4 people could exist on the amount of water that this particular client wasted over that 8 days. Now, come to find out, they had a float switch that had been disconnected from a controller for one reason or another. They saw it, realized what was going on, shut the well down, got the float switch fixed, and then we're back in production more appropriately here, where the level of the lake was actually dictating whether the well needed to be running or not.